Hello? Anybody there? Daisy? Hey, who's there? Anybody there?
Matthew, I brought you some pie and milk.
Look, whoever you are, stop this fooling around, you hear? Who's in there, damn it?
Matthew, you here?
Who's out there? Let me in! Help me! Help me, please! Help me!
You? Matthew, is that you?
I'll be right there, Mama. 1 second, I'll be right there.
Good Jesus Christ.
Mama? Don't look, Mama.
Matthew.
I didn't want you to see this, Mama.
Matthew.
It's all right. I took care of everything. We're free.
Oh, my God, Matthew.
It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, my God, Matthew.
No, Mama. Mama, please. Listen to me. Listen to me, please.
Please, somebody help me. Help me,
No,
please.
Mama, no.
Please, don't hurt me.
I'd never hurt you, Mama. You shouldn't have married him, that's all. I didn't need another father. We didn't need him.
I needed him. I loved him.
No. No, you didn't. You only loved me. You and me. We didn't need nobody else, Mama. Nobody.
Please.
Now he doesn't have to touch you no more.
I wanted him to touch me.
No, you didn't. You didn't want him to touch you. You hated it.
Please, no, no.
You hated it. You hated it. You hated it. I'll kill you for it. Mama?